Hey, my name is Vikramjeet Singh and I am studying in Sardar Bhagat Singh State University. I am doing my graduation in BCA and now I am in Chandigarh for my internship in ReactJS in ThinkNEXT Technologies Pvt Limited, and I am doing my internship in ReactJS because I am interested in web development or front end developing, and this company was recommended by my friend. This company is also ISO certified company, so in the end I just want to say that I want to recommend to other students, if you want some experience that how to work in company, you should visit in ThinkNEXT Technologies Pvt Limited. Thank you.